It's Veterans Day 2019, and I just placed a flag once again on the grave of George W. Gould, a private in the Union Army, killed at Cold Harbor in 1864 to save the Union and end human chattel slavery. I had the privilege of having access to the letters that Private Gould wrote home during the war, and I've transcribed those letters and posted them on a website that I created in his honor, which can be accessed at www.resurrectinglostvoices.com. We thank Private George W. Gould for his service and for his sacrifice. And by honoring him on this Veterans Day, we also, by extension, honor all those who served and all those who sacrificed. We salute you, Private George W. Gould.